today we would be together discussing about our next topic, which is mass communication. So, the agenda would be such I'm going to take you through a quick introduction of mass communication, right? So, let's understand what exactly do we mean by mass communication. So, what is mass communication? Any guesses? Well, if you ask me, I'd say mass communication is a process in which a person, group of people, or an organization sends a message through a channel of communication to a large group of anonymous and heterogeneous people and organizations. You can think of a large group of anonymous and heterogeneous people as either the general public or a segment of the general public. Channels of communication include broadcast, television, radio, social media, and print. Now, the sender of the message is usually a professional communicator and often represents an organization. Now, if you guys have not understood it correctly, let me put it across in simple words. So, if you ask me to explain in simple words, I'd say that mass communication refers to the message sent by a person or a group to a large anonymous audience through a specialized medium or a transmitting device. Okay, so what is mass communication? What do you guys feel mass communication is now that you have a very good idea about it? If you ask me, I'd say mass communication is nothing else. It is just the simple messages that are relayed on TV, or it can be a simple advertisement. The advertisement about the brand of shampoo that you use. So that can be the company which is trying to communicate to a mass of people, to a lot of people together, to a very huge group of people that the product is good. It can be as simple as that. The basic is it can be the president of America speaking something or addressing the general public. It can be the Queen of England addressing the general public. It can be the Prime Minister of India giving a speech. It can be anything. Wherever there is a group, or I would rather say a large group of people involved, it can be the news about the winning of a baseball match. It can be the news about uh, the winning of a football match, or maybe the cricket match, maybe the World Cup cricket. It can just be anything which is communicated in via the TV, via the radio, via the newspaper, or any channel, or anything to the general public or to a large group of people. That is exactly what mass communication is. Right? Now, going forward, we would be looking at quite a few things. For example, we'd be looking at the history of mass communication, how did it evolve, what are the more what are the channels of mass communication, and so on, right? So, proceeding forward to the next one, let's take a look at